Harry, out. Look, you're going out. Which way are you going out? Do you want to go out the front or the back? Should we send him out the front or the back?
Would you like some help, Harry?
No, Jamie, just come on, Harry. This way.
Oh no, it's coming toward me! Get it away!
No, get off the furniture. You're not allowed. Get off the furniture. Off the furniture. No, Harry. Oh, Esther, you should have been standing there. What are you doing standing there?
Well, there's a window right there, I'm thinking, I just got... I'm doing filming, Daddy.
Up.
No, I can't actually. I don't think I will. No, I'm just going to sit right here.
Jamie, behind you.
There's Harry!
Right.
Chuck him out the front window, people!
You show him to me, and I'll coordinate.
Where is he?
No! Let Jamie catch him! Oh, damn, Gina! He's not there.
He's going to be on the telly.
I think I'm just going to stay.
Do you want to be out front?
Yes, I don't care. Just get him out to my house! This is not funny! Stop filming instantly!
No, I think I'm going to
There's Harry! There's Harry!
I'm getting...
He's gone in the bin! He's gone in the bin! Tom! Kill Tom! Oh,
Out.
There we go. Well done, Dad.
So he's sitting there, all of a sudden this bird just walks in.
But the funniest thing is that earlier, she went, I think he's still outside. I was like, can't you bring him in?
The towel to catch it. It's gone.
It's out the front window. Don't drive over
And
it.
then I was just like, Helen.
And there is our story of the bird is now finished. We hope you've enjoyed this special news bulletin brought to you by the Seagull family.